Are you someone who's passionate about data science? Are you someone who really wants to get into data science and pursue it as a career? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about some of the top skills that a data scientist requires. So, like the video, subscribe the video, and stay tuned for the video ahead. Now, data science is a field with a steep learning curve. That is, you get to learn a lot of things in a very short span of time. Now, data scientists must be fluent in a variety of computer languages and statistical computations, as well as possess good interpersonal and communication skills. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the top skills that are required for a data scientist. Now, skill number one, fundamentals of data science. So, understanding the principles of data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence as a whole is the first and the most crucial skill that a data scientist needs to understand, right? So, topics like what is the difference between deep learning and machine learning, data science, business analytics, data engineering, what exactly is the difference between these terms? You'll have to understand certain terminologies and tools that are commonly used in data science, and what is the difference between supervised, unsupervised learning. All of these kind of facts and features that you would need to understand if you are wanting to transition to the field of data science. So these are some certain fundamentals of data science that you will definitely need to focus upon. Now, the second skill is you need to have deep knowledge of mathematical concepts like statistics and probability. So before you can create those high quality models, you need to understand statistics, and machine learning basically begins with statistics and it evolves with statistics. So statistics is defined as the study of collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and organization of data according to Wikipedia, right? So as a result, it should come as no surprise that data scientists require statistical knowledge in their profession. So it is necessary to understand the concept of descriptive statistics, like in school what we have studied, or in college we have studied as mean, median, mode, variance, standard deviation, right? I'm sure these concepts will hit a bell somewhere. The third skill that you require is knowledge of programming languages, right? So deep understanding of certain programming languages is required. So data scientists must be proficient in advanced statistical modeling tools and have a deep understanding and knowledge of programming. So, in addition to having a strong foundation in maths and statistics, there are a variety of programming languages that are preferred for the role of a data scientist. Some of them are, I'll give you an example, is Python. So, Python can handle everything from data mining to website development to running embedded system in a single language, right? So, pandas you must have heard of. So pandas is a Python data analysis package that can do everything from import data from Excel spreadsheets to plot data with histograms and even box plots. So data processing, reading, aggregation, and visualization are all made simple with this library, right? The second kind of programming language that you have is the R programming. So R is a software package that includes functions for data manipulation, calculation, and graphical display. So in comparison to Python, R is a more widely used in academic environments. So machine learning algorithms may be implemented fast and easily, and the software includes a number of statistical and graphical approaches, including linear and non-linear modeling, right? So the next skill that I have for you is experience in data extraction, transformation, and loading. So right, let's say assume we have data sources such as MySQL, MongoDB, Google Analytics. These are certain examples of different databases that are available and used widely. So you must extract data from such sources and then transform it so that it may be stored in a suitable format or structure for querying and analysis. finally, you must load the data into a data warehouse, right? And which will be, this data warehouse will be used to analyze this data further, for business intelligence activities or for certain kind of analytics, right? Now, the next skill that I have for you is knowledge of data wrangling and data exploration. Now, data wrangling is the process of cleaning and unifying messy and complex data collections for easy access and analysis. Now, let's take an example. The act of packing your luggage. What happens if you stuff your entire wardrobe into your bag, right? You'll save a few minutes, like without organizing it, you're just stuffing clothes, right? But it's not the most efficient method. Your clothes will be ruined as well. So instead, spend a few minutes, kind of ironing and stacking your clothes. So the initial phase, in your data analysis process is exploratory data analysis, which is also called as EDA. Now, here you'll figure out how to make sense of the data you have, as well as what questions you want to ask and how to phrase them, right? As well as you will also learn how to best modify your data sources to get the answers to the problem currently being considered. Now, this is done by looking at patterns, trends, outliers, unexpected incomes, and so on. So, data manipulation and wrangling, on the other hand, can take a long time, but can ultimately help you make better data driven judgments. So as a data scientist, you certainly must be familiar and confident in concepts of data wrangling and data exploration, right? Now, what is the next skill? The next skill is knowledge of data visualizations, right? So one of the skills that, data scientists must acquire in order to connect more effectively with end users is data visualization. Now, see, there are programs available including Tableau, Power BI, and many others, right? And they have a very, very user friendly interface, if you see. So data visualization is, I would rather say, more of an art than a pre-programmed procedure. So there is no such thing as one size fit all solution here. So a data visualization expert understands how to use, graphics, and convey a message. So to begin with, you must be comfortable with basic plots such as histogram, bar charts, pie charts, before moving on to more advanced charts such as, waterfall charts, thermometer charts, and so on, right? So during the exploratory data stage, these graphs are very, very useful, right? The next skill is comprehensive knowledge of machine learning. So machine learning is a must have ability for any data scientist. So predictive models are created using machine learning. If you want to forecast how many clients you'll have in the upcoming month based on previous month's data, for example, you will need to employ machine learning techniques. So you can begin with simple linear and logistic regression models before progressing to sophisticated ensemble models such as random forest, XGBoost, CatBoost, and others, right? So knowing the code for these algorithms is useful, but understanding how they operate is even more vital, right? Now, this will aid the hypermeter adjustment, and ultimately the creation of a model will come with the lowest possible error, right? Now, the very basic skills that data scientists must have is good problem solving skills through thorough knowledge of data structure and algorithms, right? So data scientists must have good problem solving skills, and this, they must be very able to quickly analyze any error in the training model and fix them quickly. Now, they must be able to come up with, multiple solutions to a single problem. They must also be well versed with advanced data structures and algorithms, as they can be helpful in designing the training model, right? And the very, very basic skill that they really, really need to have is good communication skills. So data can't talk unless it's been manipulated, right? So a good data scientist must be able to communicate effectively. So communication may make all the difference in the outcome of a project, whether it is communicating to your team, what actions you need to take to get from point A to point B with the data, or presenting a presentation to a corporate leadership. So in most I would say data scientist professions, excellent communication skills are required. So you need to grasp business requirements or the problems at hand as a data scientist, as well as probe stakeholders for more data and communicate crucial data insights, right? So these were some of the top skills that you need to have as a data scientist in 2022 to progress into the field of data science and become that successful data scientist. For more such videos and information, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button so that every time there's a new video out, you're the first one to get notified. Thank you so much.